Hey guys, so today I took a trade um, after the analysis that I posted earlier. Around the I took the trade near the end of the London session, so I'm gonna be doing a post analysis of the trade, and so here we go. So I was waiting for this range to break out of the Asia high or the low. So um, near the so it did break. It did make a session breakout, and the power was to the sell side. So here, as you can see, I've marked it. My intention was to sell. Uh, After the momentum died down, died momentum of the buyers, the in my opponents in this case died out and everything. So as you can see, I marked my sell over here. This was my trade, the length. I held it, and well, actually not held it. I was trading with trade take profit, as I'm not experienced enough to keep an open trade and at the same time keep a calm mind, so, to keep analyzing when to take my profits. So let's move on to the 5-minute chart so that we can take a closer look at what was happening. So after this breakout, I was waiting to see what the buyers would do from here after this candle. So the buyers tried once, didn't go very far, came back hard. The buyers tried again, didn't go very far, came back down hard. So I mistakenly thought, okay, this was the sellers have started digesting the buyers, and it was almost time for me to execute the trade. So here, as you can see, after these two buyer candles, I entered my trade. This was a big mistake on my part because I realized later that after such a big movement, compared in comparison to all the other movements, you can see on this chart, this was a huge movement, and I should have noted that this will take a long time to digest before my sellers activate again. So as you can see, it took quite a while. It did all this many times, especially when my trade was in the red over here. My trade was in the red over here, over here, over here. I almost closed the trade and got out with a small loss because at this point I didn't know if the buyers would come in stronger and move up further, take out my hit my stop losses, and then the momentum would end. So this is what happens when you enter early. You get all sorts of thoughts going racing through your mind: fear, panic, hopelessness, diarrhea, everything. Everything crosses your mind while you're in this stage if you are in too early. Because let's see here, after I executed my trade over here, it did all this and then it went in my favor up to here, and then it kept doing all this. It kept doing it kept well, it kept going up and down, creating this range, this small range over here. But I wasn't, as it proved to be, I wasn't wrong in this case because prices never went above this level. Prices never once went above this level. So, um, looking back now, I would have preferred to enter over here. After all this, I could have, you know, it's easier to handle this emotions because it's not much, and it's only if I entered here in on this candle. um, uh, so yeah. Mm. If I entered here on this candle, um, then this much wouldn't have bothered me. But entering here has caused me a lot of grief. I was staring at the trade, wondering what to do. Should I keep holding on and all that? But thankfully, um, uh, my it did perform, and yeah, I got a good amount of profit considering. So what I'll do is try to keep patient and try to get in as late as possible to perfect my time of entry, and let's see how the next few days go. So thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.